if you need to edit a video's basic details after you've already uploaded it, you can always make those changes through YouTube Studio. To access YouTube Studio, start by clicking on your avatar in the upper right-hand corner. This will open up your account menu. Click on the YouTube Studio menu item to access YouTube Studio. On the left-hand menu, select the Videos tab to see all of your account's videos. Start by finding the thumbnail of the video that you'd like to edit and click on the pencil icon next to it. This opens the Basic Details menu. You can edit the title, descriptions, visibility, and thumbnail from here. If you scroll down, you can add tags to make your video more searchable, add your video to a playlist, or add end screens or cards. Once you've made all of your changes, make sure to click on the Save button. Many Google programs save your progress automatically, but you have to click Save to save your video detail changes in YouTube. Once you're done, click on the back arrow button. YouTube will return you right to your channel video screen. From this screen, you can also access the analytics and comments, or watch your video on YouTube by clicking on these icons directly next to each video's thumbnail.